Hello teacher. With the dictionary feature on Google Slides, you can easily and quickly provide students with the definition of any word they ask about during a presentation. First step is to open Google Slides and click the word tools on the top menu bar. You can pull down the option and the word dictionary is right there. Second step is to type in the word you want to find the definition for. In this example, I am typing in the word anatomy. Third step is to click enter and there is a definition for the typed word. With the dictionary feature on Google Slides, you can also quickly look up the spelling of a word or even use it to translate a word to another language. For more such tech tips from InnerScore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.